When surveyed, 40% of organizations said that they will improve or replace their current backup application by 2018. Why such a high percentage? Gartner has defined 5 C's, and when we look at data backup, companies are asking themselves some tough questions. Regarding cost, what are the total costs of ownership, including acquisition, support, and operations? Organizations are particularly concerned about capacity-based pricing in large deployments. With regard to capability, many products have difficulty meeting the backup window and restoring SLAs. In addition, companies believe that their current vendor may not be keeping up with others when it comes to features and functions. As for complexity, this is always a topic for concern. With more complex products, companies may spend lots of time keeping backup up and running, and administrators may require a high level of skill to maintain smooth operations. Moving to completeness, there are questions about how robust a function is and how extensible the overall solution is. And finally, customer support. This issue has become acute, especially for legacy installs. IBM Spectrum Protect addresses all of Gartner's 5 C's and can ultimately reduce backup infrastructure costs by nearly 40%. Companies can save on total cost of ownership. In addition to reducing infrastructure costs, companies can also save on ongoing operations since Spectrum Protect allows one administrator to manage up to twice as many backups. Spectrum Protect provides a wide range of capabilities that allows companies to meet any service level agreement. It has a very intuitive, easy-to-use interface. It's fully integrated and includes at-a-glance views for simpler management. Spectrum Protect is also comprehensive. It has all the backup-related capabilities, so companies don't need to sacrifice on anything. And it's very scalable. And finally, it's backed by IBM customer support and very high-level standards of quality. Let's look at how 2 organizations are benefiting from Spectrum Protect. CERN, or the European Centre for Nuclear Research, was founded in 1954. Its main business is fundamental physics. Its raison d'etre is nothing less than understanding how the universe is built and how it works. One of the biggest challenges it has is storing data collected from millions of sensors in its particle accelerator. This particle accelerator is a 27-kilometer circumference tunnel that runs under France and Switzerland. And its goal is to reconstruct the first moment of the universe. The particle accelerator generates over 1 gigabyte of data each second, and CERN makes that data accessible to thousands of physicists worldwide. CERN relies on Spectrum Protect and IBM tape products to store over 40 petabytes of data. This combination of Spectrum Protect and tape provides CERN with high performance and the high reliability that it requires. Albert Einstein is also using Spectrum Protect. Albert Einstein is a large healthcare organization in the Pennsylvania area. It has 9,000 employees, 4 major campuses, and 100 satellite locations. Its main challenge is recovery, and just as important, recovery times. Spectrum Protect provides Albert Einstein with consistency for backing up all of its data and the ability to see the backup environment from one pane of glass. The IBM solution has achieved 99% success with regard to backup, and by doing so, it's allowed Albert Einstein to reduce the number of failures so that it can take a more proactive approach to storage. A final data point that's very impressive. Recall that Albert Einstein said that recovery times are very important. With the previous solution, it took Albert Einstein 22 hours to restore its system, but with Spectrum Protect, it now takes only 15 minutes.